Hey warriors, thank you for stopping by and checking my WSO. I really appreciate your time. My name is Bert Tekwani and I have a news to share with you, and it's actually pretty scary news. And it is, as per the hackersnews.com, Mastercard.com's blog was recently hacked by Syrian Electronic Army. Now that's pretty scary if you ask me, because if a blog of a company like Mastercard can get hacked, what do you think? How difficult it is for a hacker to hack a blog of someone like you and me, who are just trying to work from home, make some extra cash, don't have any security systems in place and technical people to take care of the site, because companies like MasterCard have huge big budget to have security systems in place. The answer is it's easy peasy, right? Now I would like to share a personal story with you, a stupid mistake that I made that recently cost me well over $1,000 in sales. Yes, well over $1,000 for one simple mistake, and that is I recently launched my first WSO and was really excited about it, and I wanted to get it out there ASAP. And in that excitement and hurry, what I did is actually I forgot to disable the directory browsing of my site, and my entire product was on my WordPress website. Entire zip file was there, and as a result of that one stupid mistake, my complete product got shared on the black hat sites the same day I released it. Because everyone knows by default that the location of WordPress upload directory is at wp-content/uploads, and that's what these guys do all day. They just try to see if the content is available on these directories. So what happened is, I tried, as soon as I got this notification from Google Alert, because I did set up a Google Alert for my product name, that's WPMU Made Easy. That was my first WSO. I got this alert from Google, and I saw that there's a link being shared on Black Hat site. So what I try to do, I just tried to file a DMCA complaint on different file sharing sites, and I tried to get the product down. But the worst part was, even if I managed to get it down a couple of times, these guys kept re-uploading the same files because they had it. Right, they had a copy, so they kept re-uploading it. So it was really frustrating, and then I gave up. But let me show you how easy it is to actually just stop this directory browsing. It just takes less than like 30 seconds, and I just forgot it. We are humans, right? So what I decided to do is basically make a checklist that I can follow every time I create a new site, either for myself or for my clients, to make sure that it is protected from these spammers, hackers, and content thieves. And as a result, I ended up creating this training course called WP Securer. Now what it is it's a step-by-step video series including 46 videos and 11 HTML files to show you how to create and manage a WordPress site that is protected from spammers, hackers, and content thieves. Alright, now before I go any further, I want to be upfront and tell you that this is not for everyone. Alright, and it is for people who are using WordPress to create their site or their client site, but this isn't for anyone. So I don't want you to like invest your 10-15 minutes, watch this video, read the information about the product, all to know at the end that it's not for you. I don't want to waste your time. So this is for you, of course, if you're using WordPress to create your site for yourself or for your clients, and this is absolutely for you if your content gets stolen or hot-linked and you want to protect it. This is for you if you spend time deleting spam comments instead of working on your business or spending time with your loved ones. But there is an exception to that, and the exception is this isn't for you if you are not using Apache-based server to host your sites, because a lot of security techniques I'll teach you in this course will be based on htaccess file, and htaccess file is an Apache file, and it's not available on other web hosting servers. Now I don't want to get too technical here. Simply, if you can just log into your FTP program, if you see an htaccess file there, then you can just go through the training course and you should be good to go. There shouldn't be any problem, and 99% of you would be on Apache web-based server. But your host is the best place to know whether you are using Apache web-based server or not, because htaccess file is a hidden file. Sometimes you might not even see it even if it exists. So just if you want to be sure whether you're on Apache web-based server or not, you can just contact your web host and they will give you the right answer. Here are just a couple of reputed web hosting providers who do provide Apache web-based service. And if you're on any one of these, then of course you're on Apache. You can just simply click on the buy now button and you should be good to go. The first one is HostGator, like Bluehost, GoDaddy Linux hosting, not Windows but Linux hosting. It's Apache web based, and WP Securer includes 5 modules and 3 bonuses. Okay, it starts from demonstrating how you can install the WordPress the right way, and all the way to the advanced security measures, like stopping proxy access to your site, disabling hot linking and all that geeky stuff. But while I was creating this training course, I wanted to keep it simple so that a 5th grade student can watch the videos and just protect a WordPress site without getting having any technical background. So that's where I included this first bonus. The first bonus includes 11 HTML code files. So if you can just copy and paste, you just need to open the file that I ask you to open, copy the code from that file, and just paste it where I ask you to paste it. It's simple. If you can copy and paste, you should be able to just protect your website. You don't need to have any technical knowledge or any technical background to do that. Okay. The second bonus includes a free SSL certificate. This is this is simple explanatory. I don't need to just tell you what it is. And the final bonus is a backup and restore video where I'll show you how you can automate the complete backup process of your entire site, including your MySQL database, and how you can restore it with just few clicks using a free plugin. You don't have to even spend a dime on any paid plugin to back up your site. This plugin has everything you need to be able to back up your complete site, and I'll show you how you can do that. In fact, in this videos, what I'll do is I'll just create a backup using this plugin, then I'll delete my entire site in front of you, including all the MySQL database tables, entire database, and all the WordPress files, and I'll restore it using the backup file that I took in front of you, so that you see if something goes wrong, how to restore the site, in maybe 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, couple of minutes. So that's the third bonus. So back to what I said, I forgot to disable the directory browsing, and I lost almost $1,000 in sales. But I recently came across this article where they demonstrate how to find websites that have not disabled directory browsing. So this is like people educating other people how to find the content that is available on the web that we can just use for selfish purposes. So you can just go and check out the article. This article talks about how to find movies, but instead of movies you can just change a couple of queries, and you'll be able to find any content. For example, if you just Google search this query, and I found it on different article. If you Google search this query, just change this keyword to whatever niche you are in, and you are almost certain to find some content to use for your own selfish purpose and basically steal it. I don't recommend you do it. This is just what I'm telling you, that this is basically, it's a big problem. Alright, and you will see how many directories are open. You just Google query, you will just find hundreds and hundreds of websites that with the open directories and a lot of content in them. I can't even imagine how much content is being stolen, and owners probably don't even know about it. And that's not even the worst part. The worst part is not only your content is open for the public to just download and use it for their purposes, whatever they feel like, but your PHP files, your core WordPress files, are also open for anyone to just download. And if your file permissions are not tight on your web server, then there are very high chances of your site being hacked. I'll show you in a minute what I'm talking about. Let me just show you right now what I'm talking about, and I'll show you how simple it is to disable this directory browsing. So let me just open one of my sites. Here is one of my sites that I use for demo purposes, ewpdemo.info. Let me just hit refresh on this, and let me just go back to parent directory, and as you can see, this is open for anyone. This is a fairly new site, so there isn't much content in it, just few images. But as you can see, this directory browsing is open. Anyone can just come and steal my content from here. But the worst part is someone can go to my demo website.info, whatever your domain name is, /WP includes, and see that all of these WordPress files are also open in the directory browsing. And this, guys, is a big no-no, because if the file permission on your servers are not tight, there are very high chances of your site being hacked. So let me show you how easy it is to just disable this. To do that, I'll just go to my FTP program and download this htaccess file from my server, and we'll just take a second, and I'll just open this htaccess file in my local computer machine, and I'll open it with Notepad++. You can definitely use any code editing software, and I just need to add this one line of code. You can just, if you want, you just pause this video and copy this. It's options space minus indexes. That's all you need. Just paste this one line of code right here in your htaccess file, close it, come back to your FTP program, refresh your htaccess file, and re-upload the file and overwrite the previous one on your server, and it will just take a second. Now if I come back to my website where it says ewbdemo.info/wb includes, and if I hit the refresh button, let's see what happens. It just try to see if the directory is open, and then it gives me an error. This is somewhat embarrassing, isn't it? Because I'm getting this page not found error. So let me go to WP content and uploads. Let's see what we get there. You see, again, I'm getting page not found error. So you see how easy it is. It took me what, like maybe 10 seconds to add that one line of code. But we all forget to do different things, and this is not the only thing you should be doing. There are a lot more things you should be doing to make sure your site is secure, and that's what this course is all about. So back to my PowerPoint fancy slides. As I said, there's much more you need to do to make sure your site is protected from spammers, hackers, and content thieves. And this training course will show you, what you need to be doing step by step to make sure your site is secure. Now, the WSO opens on 25th Feb and will be taken off market on 3rd March 2013. What I mean by taken off market is it will be taken off WSO because I plan to relaunch it on a ClickBank. The only difference is going to be the price is going to be several times more. So if you're watching this video during this day between 25th Feb and 3rd March, you can definitely take this advantage and get in on a very low price. And you also have full 30 days to try it before you buy it. What I mean is your card won't be charged a dime for first 30 days, and after 30 days there's this one-time investment of $17. And if for any reason within those 30 days you think the product is not well worth your hard-earned money, you just shoot me an email with the support tab in the members area, and I'll just stop the payment from being processed. So you absolutely risk nothing when you decide to invest in this training program today. Now, if you're watching this video before 25th February or after 3rd March, there will be a link somewhere on this page to get on the waiting list, and I'll just make sure to update you guys, give you all the updates on this product. I plan to add some more videos as we go along because security isn't something you do it once and forget about it. So I'll just make sure to keep you guys updated on it. And I just want to show you, share one more thing with you before we just complete this video, and that is, once you click on the yellow button, you will be brought to this page, PayPal page, and this is a little confusing, and I tried to resolve this, and I had a word with Warrior Plus guys, and they said there's nothing we can do about it right now, and that is, it says here free for first 30 days and then $17 for 30 days. I asked them if I can change this message to $17 one-time investment or something like that, because this is a little confusing. It makes sense, something like after 30 days you need to pay more to be able to access the content, which is not the case. It's just a one-time investment of $17, and you will have the access to the product for as long as I keep it live and keep it available to the public, and it's going to be years because I plan to relaunch it on ClickBank. I'll keep updating it. So I just want to share this with you. Just don't get confused with this message. It's just a one-time investment after 30 days, and as I said, within those 30 days, if for any reason you are not satisfied with the training course, you just shoot me an email and I'll stop the payment from being processed. So that's it for this video, guys, and there's some more information about this training course if you want to see what's included in each one of the videos. I have detailed information about each one of the videos. As I said, 46 videos. Information is available right below this video. You just check them out, click on that yellow button, and I look forward to see you in the members area very soon. Bye.